Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today, I am going to show you how to download and install Bluetooth on Windows 10. It's a simple process, but I'll guide you step by step to make it even easier. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to download the Bluetooth driver. Open your preferred browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you like. In the search bar, type Bluetooth driver for Windows 10. You'll see many search results, but the one we're looking for is from the official Intel website. The link should say something like Download Intel Wireless Bluetooth Driver for Windows 10. Click on this link. Once you're on the Intel download page, you'll see a download button. It might be labeled Download or Get the Driver. Click on this button to start downloading the driver file. The download might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and paste into your home screen. Now, double-click on the Bluetooth driver file to start the installation process. A setup wizard will appear on your screen. In the setup wizard, click on the Next button to proceed. You will need to accept the terms in the license agreement. So, choose the I accept the terms in the license agreement option and click Next again. Next, you'll be asked to choose the installation type. Select the typical installation option, which is recommended for most users, and click Next. Finally, click on the Install button to begin the installation. The process will take a few minutes, so sit back and relax while the driver installs. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a Finish button. Click on it to close the setup wizard. To ensure all the settings are applied correctly, it's important to restart your computer. So, go ahead and restart your system now. After your computer restarts, we need to check if Bluetooth is now enabled. In the Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it's off, just toggle the switch to turn it on. You should see your computer searching for Bluetooth devices. Here, you can also manage your Bluetooth devices. You can pair new devices, send or receive files, and more. To send a file, click on the Send or Receive Files via Bluetooth option. Then select Send Files and choose the device you want to send the file to. Likewise, to receive a file, choose the Receive Files option and follow the prompts. It's that easy. So, that's how you download and install Bluetooth on Windows 10. Now you can connect your Bluetooth devices, send and receive files, and enjoy all the features Bluetooth offers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching.